Hi, I'm Miss Haywood and I teach Year 4 at Lancaster Lane.
Here are the Year 4 objectives for PSHE. We're going to have a look at what our key questions are for each half term and also look at some of the resources we might use in our lessons. In Autumn 1, our key question is what strengths, skills and interests do we have? This is a really lovely way to start the year as we look at the children's personal qualities and individuality. In this unit, we also look at self-esteem and how their personal attributes contribute to this, and the children learn how to identify positive things about themselves and their peers and look at their achievements. We also look at setting achievable goals throughout the year and how to manage when they face setbacks or make mistakes. We change the way they think to be more positive about themselves. To do this, we use videos on BBC Bite Size and resources from Premier League primary stars looking at resilience and self-esteem. In Autumn 2, our key question is how can we manage risk in different places? And this links really nicely with our science lessons as we look at electricity and the dangers of electricity. And it also fits nicely with the time of year as it's normally around bonfire night, so we can look at fireworks safety as well. In this unit, the children will look at keeping safe in their local environment and also in unfamiliar settings. They look at peer pressure and how to manage this influence. And they look at how to keep safe online, recognising what is appropriate to share online and what is not appropriate to share. They will also look at the rules and laws that exist to keep us safe and how to respond if they become aware of a situation that may be against the law. To do this, we will use websites like Think You Know for all the online safety advice, and we will also use some videos from the NSPCC website called Share Aware, where the children watch some videos about what might happen if they share inappropriate things online. In Spring 1, our key question is how do we treat each other with respect? Here we look at respect for themselves and others, including respecting each other online. We also discuss discrimination and disrespect and how to respond to aggressive and inappropriate behaviour, both online and in the real world, which also includes physical contact as well. We look at the difference between good and bad secrets and being able to recognise when a secret should be kept or when it should be shared with somebody. We also look at how to respond to aggressive and inappropriate behaviour and how to report concerns. So again, we will use online safety websites such as ChildNet, and we watch some videos on the BBC website as well. In Spring 2, our key question is how can we manage our feelings? In this unit, we look at how everyday things can affect feelings and that feelings can change over time and that levels of intensity might be different as well. We look at how we can express our feelings and how to do this in different situations and circumstances. We also look at managing feelings at times of loss and grief or change and how to access advice and support in these situations. And some of the resources we might use for this are videos from BBC Bite Size. We have a look at Michael Rosen's Sad Book, and we look at the Disney film clips from Inside Out to help identify our emotions. In Summer 1, our key question is how can I help in an accident or emergency? This unit is all about how to carry out basic first aid, such as for burns and cuts, and that if someone has had a head injury that they shouldn't be moved and when it is appropriate to seek adult help. The children will also look at information about remaining calm and giving clear information when speaking to adults or emergency services about an accident that could have happened. Some of the resources we look at in this unit are from the Red Cross website, and we also use St John Ambulance website for some resources as well. In Summer 2, our key question is how can our choices make a difference to others and the environment? This unit links with our geography topic of rivers, where we look at water pollution and environmental changes, and also with our science unit as we have a look at living things and their habitats and how their environments might be destroyed by our actions. The children look at their responsibility for protecting the environment and how choosing how to spend money could also affect the environment, and how to show care and concern for others with both people and animals. Our resources for this are taken from the RSPCA website, where we look at compassion. We also look at resources from Greenpeace and clips from David Attenborough's videos such as Blue Planet. This brings us to the end of the Year 4 curriculum. So there's all our objectives and all of our key questions throughout the year.